Yes, that happened, and it happened to my new watercolor kit. Here's tracking back what happened and what I had to do. It's just to show you that the materials and props you see on this YouTube might have taken a while to get here. You're on the Alvin Art channel. Right, hi, what's up everyone? So this is the thing to lose. A lot of rusting over the last year or so. I've not had this for a very long time. I would say a year plus. Check that out. A lot of that happening, especially along the edges. Yeah, and yes, I was expecting it to happen. So now with this new box that I got, I'm going to transfer this into this. Also at the same time, I'm gonna be topping up new colors. So let's do it! There's all of that. We'll save this for another project. And now let's remove all of that. It looks like it has decomposed. Alright. There we go. Lots of rusting happening. I realize I probably need a new one of these things, which this doesn't have, so for the time being I'm gonna reuse this. Let's do this one. I did a general scrubbing, just one layer scrubbing, because I know this will be the last time I'll be using this. Too much rust. I have to figure this out another time because I'm late for an appointment. Yes. But this for now. Take two. It arrived! Whoopee! Sounds like it. So I found another set that contains the metal plate that holds all the individual pens. Let's see if that is true. Yes. So this one offers the little pen. Also, it has this thing that is so important to hold the pens down. This one, not too much. I mean, if it's just there, you would have to either hot glue gun it down or create a corrugated plastic board that can fit in and then hot glue it down. Alright, so without further ado, let's spend the time slotting this into that and saying goodbye to this. So once again, just be really careful when you purchase this online. The one that I got the first time round came without this pen metal holder plate, and it was actually reflected on the website. It's just that I wasn't observing carefully. And guess what? I found this one. It comes with this plate and the mini half pen pieces, and this costs cheaper than that one. Oh well, let's do this. Check this out. Okay, I'm gonna say goodbye to this. Yeah, thumbs up. And with a snap of my finger, and voila, it's done. That quick. And wow, look at that. Oh man. So all of this is just rust. I'm gonna just discard this right now. Goodbye to that, and hello to this brand new metal pen holder. I'm really now more inspired to go out there and make some more art. I'm gonna close this up, tie it so that it's a snug fit in that. I think I shall put it just by gut. There we go. Perfect. Thank you so much for serving me White Nights. Goodbye to this. I'm gonna spend some time now doing a quick swatch so that you get to see the colors. Right, let's do this. Starting with lemon yellow. This is what it looks like. Next up, we have cadmium orange. And the next color, I think this is the only one that I'm still using from before. It's maroon. This is yellowish green. I'm always using new colors from White Nights. This is Naples Flesh. And this pink here, I used to use marigold. Now it's coral, and it holds out really well here in the hot and humid weather in Singapore. So this is here to stay. Next up, this blue, same thing. I used to use the cerulean, which used to melt heaps. Now this is a celestial blue. It's also here to stay. And this is Blue Lake. I'm gonna use this to replace my ultramarine for the very first time. And this is cadmium red. Light, yes. Diocezine violet. There we go. This one is lamp black. If I find an alizarin crimson, I'm gonna replace the lamp black with that. And of course we have white here, which is, it'll appear as nothing. There we go, people. Thanks for watching this. So I found my replacement, a much more cost-effective deal online. And once again, remember to check the product image online before purchasing it. You don't want to be purchasing the one without the metal plate. This is Alvin Mark. You're in the studio. You'll be seeing me carry this out quite a lot to the various cafes and urban sketching events. Also, now that travel has opened up in Singapore, you'll be seeing me carry this overseas too. So until the next one, continue to stay safe, continue to be inspired. Ciao ciao. And with a snap of my finger, and voila, it's done.